Big Mana, hey, it's your girl Tekora Huia, and we're taking it back. Right back to where it all started. Fan Camp Pacifica Volume 2. Shout out, big fan. Y'all got the Big Mana, that's where it at.
Yeah, I felt like I was hanging out with my niece and nephew, and we just had fun.
And fun we did have. I want to shout out to Kenzie from Willie and our original producer from Tone 6, Melly. Woo!
Something.
Fuck yeah.
Step into the room, Big Mana. Feel across the room, Big Mana.
Shout out Big Fan Pacifica Volume 2. That's us, Ainga, and this is a sneak peek of what it originally sounded like.
Rock up on the scene with that big mana. It's just my ties to the more wanna. Brown excellence, red hair, core, Hawaii up on the way all the way to Aotearoa. We on, come on, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we finna roll. Even if the system takes a toll, you can't stop the white even when it flows. That's right, we flow. We rise on lies, we grow. Ain't no stopping the queen, then what we know. How we do what we do for show. Stand up with us, free Palestine. Don't make a fuss when life's on the line. Who do you trust? Can you take a sign? The truth is blunt, but don't be blind. Big Mana, Big Mana.
The basket's so nice.